everyone, it's AP back to my channel. I got this new car, it's electric.
How many wheels is that, guys? Comment down below.
And I will give you a hit. It's an old time car.
Good hint. Who's this over here that we hear?
My dog,
What's its name?
Ginger.
Ginger?
Mhm.
Are you crazy, Ginger? Hi. Hi, Ginger. Okay, so what are you going to show us today?
So, this goes very fast. Ginger, do not eat the camera. But you see how fast it can go?
Yes.
You do, okay.
Here we go, guys. Look at that. It's even, did you see that? Hold on. Oh, nice. Come on this side of it. It's easier to control when you're behind it. Or turn it around to go up that way.
And if you wonder where we got this one, if you got one of these, check out this video and you can pretend you could, like, if you have one of these, you can pretend you with me and like control it. maybe.
Yeah, y'all are on a team together and stuff, right? That'll be really cool.
Yeah. But you see how fast I can go? That wasn't even nothing. That
Let's
was
see.
nothing. That was just a packet well.
Okay. Woo! Look at it. No!
No.
Hi, pup.
But do not eat the camera.
It's okay. Cool.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Bye, everyone. Like the 2 thumbs up and like the channel and subscribe to the channel and stay awesome and share the love. Peace.